Looming large over Northern California, this is what residents in Yolo County awoke to. The wildfire erupted overnight and spread across more than 18,000 hectares on Monday. It's the worst of a dozen wildfires ravaging the state. More than 1,200 personnel are working to battle the blaze, from the ground and in the air.
I haven't seen this many choppers since I was in Vietnam. They're just going like crazy here.
Fueled by parched lands and low humidity, only 3% of the blaze was contained on Monday.
Today we have strong north winds, which is the main reason why this fire is becoming erratic and showing erratic behavior.
By dusk, there was no sign of it easing. No casualties have been reported, but hundreds have been evacuated from their homes. California has become accustomed to battling blazes like this. Another hot summer is fanning the flames and the fears once again.